service.
All right, I'm a newly retired. I retired July 1st. All my family back there says, you need to get up there and talk. It's like, okay. So here I am. I'm not usually the one on the speaker, but I've enjoyed my service. I just retired with 35 years, multiple deployments, multiple units. Things have changed fast in the military. For those who have been out for a little while, we are not just really branches anymore. We all work together in all these campaigns and events and home front activities that we need to do to safeguard our country and our interests. So in today's military, we cannot work without one another anymore. So it takes everybody on board, so we know each other's branches of service now, we know each other's faces and names, and we go places together, we do things together, and we support each other. So there's not this big separation in ranks or our branches in service, so that has changed tremendously since I originally joined the military. As you know, we have the new Space Force group, and they're actively working. They're very highly skilled people. They're doing a great job in protecting this country and our assets. So that is another thing that has changed. I will tell you, in this community, I've gotten tremendous support since I came back from war. The Lucas family has been very supportive for years. Their family went through, their Gold Star family. I've lost many people in Iraq. So with their help, I've relied on them for years, and they kept telling me, stay in, you're good with people, stay in. So with their support and help, I managed to continue on for a few more years and give all the support I can. I will tell you, having the support at home, even though you're not here all the time, is tremendous. Keep supporting our veterans. We all need it. All the young ones need it. They need to feel inspired and excited about being in the military. We need to bring that back. So please support that. It's a huge, huge thing. When I got postcards from people I didn't even know when I was on deployments, and those gift packages you'll put in the mail, I can't tell you how much that feels when you're not home for the holidays and you're not home on certain special occasions. That is huge. So my kids have known me. I've been deployed so many times. They're very supportive. I also participate in your local Boy Scout groups. So please support those activities. It's important to get these young kids out and about. So, and Kiwanis has been a huge supporter, and that's obviously why I'm here today. Angela has recruited me to come in. So even though we all have age differences and experiences of differences, please support the military. They need it. All the ages need it. All the ranks. So please support them. I know we've lost many of our soldiers in combat, and I'm sure we have a few Gold Star family members in the group. For all those young people in the back room, if you don't know what a Gold Star member is, it's when a family member who served in the military has passed on. So I want to put that out there for learning education. So when you see a Gold Star family or know of this Gold Star family, they've given their life for the ultimate price for me and you to have, choices of things to do in life. They paid a heavy price by losing a loved one. So please support those families. So I want to say thank you for everybody, and I wish I could meet all the vets. So please come by and say hi. Combat Engineers, 12 Charlie is one of my MOSs. I'm very familiar with that. So thank you so much for having me here today, and happy Veterans Day.
Now is the raffle. Dawn, if you'd like to pick.
Did you want him?